Finally, after a long time, we are out and we are going for a brunch to Highland Park. I'll show you around and I'll show you the place where we'll go. We're going to a breakfast place and it's gonna be closed at 2 o'clock, so that's why we're in a rush a little bit. Now it's 12 o'clock and I'll take you with us. Now we are passing Deerfield. Looks not bad. Look, this is the proper way to advertise your business. You see, you put lots of flowers so people come and shoot the place and many people will see it. We are already in Highland Park. We came to eat. We are still in search for a proper place to eat because so far we found only French bakery, so we are still looking for some restaurant. We just came to the restaurant, but they took reservation and that's it. We just have to walk for 10-15 minutes or maybe 20 minutes, and after that they will send us a message and we will be able to join that restaurant. Guys from the army, most probably they work at vaccination center. Do you have any guesses what shop was here? Slight hint, very expensive stuff, but I guess due to COVID they closed. There was 5th Saks Avenue. We are already inside. It's very old place but looks pretty cozy. We're gonna order eggs, we're gonna order omelette, and we're gonna order some kind of sandwich. This is the menu and we ordered Mediterranean omelette and Lux Benedict. Look, they got us complimentary fruits. So sweet of them. The guy brought 2 plates and said one for the server and one for my boyfriend, and he was laughing. Omelette, then some kind of sandwich, some bread, and we almost finished the fruits. Very delicious food. And they brought everything very fast and it was so hot. I'm surprised, so good. My boyfriend went to buy us coffee and I'm sitting outside waiting for him to come back. It's pretty weird, you know, when you sit outside and drink coffee. Here, you see, on the street. And here are the coffee shops. Something new. Macaroons. My caramel macchiato. And Mr. got latte for him. Vintage bike, vintage clothes. That's funny. And here is the guy who shooting a video of them. This is a beauty salon in Highland Park. So the prices for women haircut 65, men's haircut 35. And here's some other prices. This is not cheap place. Actually, everything in Highland Park is not cheap. My boyfriend says it is female brain. This is the way how women think. But that's so true. Highland City Hall. This is metro station. It looks more luxurious than in the place where we live. But here the property is more expensive and the taxes here are much higher. Look at this house. Pretty old, but still pretty huge. I just like this, guys, on this street. People have here some kind of competition or celebration. We will try to find out right now what are they doing, but we'll see, because we're gonna do it in the distance. I'm reminding you that I can make a video of photos from the public area, but I cannot step on the private property. So the celebration is happening over here. We assume that it is kids celebration. Over there you can see some kind of slides, like somewhere there. And look at this old house. We see I'm not stepping in because it's private property. You see they have ADT, so it means if somebody will try to break in, police will come immediately. Look, this abandoned house, very far you see, and there are lots of signs that it is under surveillance. Look at this long driveway and look at this huge house. But you see, all these houses have lots of trees, so it gives some kind of privacy, because you cannot build a fence here. Look at this house, and guess how much it cost? $1,026,000. The previous one, which I showed you, costs $1.5 million. So this place is not cheap by any definition. Now look at this one. Look, they have their own fence which is leading to the house over there. Now you can see the look from the bridge. Almost. And here is the house. It's like 2 floors. Here is the driveway to the house. One more huge house. One more huge house. I like the decorations in front of the house. I'll try to make a video right now. This is the view when you get out from the house. Look, he just put the book here and it fly away in there. That's pretty interesting. Look, they have even Highland Park outdoors. And here are the stalls with books. And it goes all the way there. They have public beach here. Here are some yachts. More yachts. Look, there is a sign, you cannot swim in the lake. But guess who is swimming there? Russians. The only people who are brave, Russians. We were parked there next to them and we have heard them speaking in Russian. That's it. The trip to Highland Park is over. We're getting back home. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to give me likes, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have some questions, you can write them in the comment section below. Bye bye, see you soon!